Yong Mipyongaoga, Alumbe Winglabashin, Tajahao. Hello everyone who love Miss Grand Myanmar and support Miss Grand Myanmar 2026. I am Nang Lulusin 21 and I proudly representing Miss Grand Bhamo 2026. I have recently completed HSK level 4 with passion and determination. Please allow me to proudly share about my beloved and beautiful hometown, Bhamo City in Kachin State. Bhamo rests gracefully on the bank of the Irrawaddy River, just a short distance from the Chinese border. Historically known as Myanmar, it has long been a gateway of trade and culture, connecting Myanmar with Yunnan, China. Economically, Bhamo thrives on agriculture, rice, beans, and local crops sustain our people, while river transport and border trade make it a vital half of commerce. Despite challenges, our city continues to symbolize resilience and opportunity. Culturally, Bhamo is a mosaic of diversity. Bamar, Shan, Kachin, and Chinese community live side by side, sharing languages, tradition, and festival. It is a place where Buddhist pagodas rise alongside Christian churches, and where ethnic customs blend into a spirit of harmony. Religiously, Theravada Buddhism is deeply rooted, yet Christianity and animist tradition also flourish, reflecting the richness of our spiritual life. This coexistence is testament to our unity and respect for one another. Socially, Bhamo is known for its hospitality, solidarity, and strength. Even in time of conflict, our people remain committed to peace, compassion, and community. It is this spirit of resilience and unity that I carry with me today. It would be my greatest honor to bring the proud spirit of Bhamo to the national stage, to embody its strength, and to shine alongside the Miss Grand Myanmar family. Thank you so much for this wonderful opportunity. Yong Kateng Gunjo Nape So Lichinda Ka Ailo, 我是你们的2026年万国小姐，谢谢大家。